Salam, Namaste. I'm going to talk about success, happiness, peace of mind, health, wealth. I'm not going to talk about pandemic, corona. ये सब बहुत everybody is talking. बहुत लोग बात कर रहे हैं. इसलिए 2020 से लेके मार्च से लेके हम लोग आज तक जो भी वीडियो है, ये खाओ, ये करो, वो करो, और everybody is working on it. Please listen to me till the end. There will be some happiness, cheeriness you may get, and I'm going to talk about because this problem, I think world somewhere around 8 crore people are living in this world, and the problem is going to be the same for everybody. It's not for you, not for me. And how we are going to come out, how we came out, how we can come out. The year 2020, March, we started the corona. Fortunately, the same time, Image Star, the brand Image Team, what we have, was celebrating 25th anniversary. But there's a lot of pain, a lot of negativity. We have been first to learn what is pandemic, what is quarantine, lockdown, and all that. Fine. So how to come out of that? I thought about it, and I've worked. And I firmly believe on one basic thing is that total surrender is the way total surrender to the God. So my total surrender went, and now the results are phenomenal results. 2020, we made 125% billing extra. Good reports. We made a lot of purchases. Few setbacks we had due to the local purchases, in which we took back the material, and a lot of flow of material, and the positive. I mean, the profitability also went up well, and now the second wave has come, and in the second lockdown, I fell sick. 3 days I was unconscious. I've lost weight, but I've not lost my confidence. In fact, I've gained confidence. I've just back to office just 5 days before I came back to office, started working, and I could see a lot of results. Today, in this second wave also, during the lockdown, during the timing of working, the best part Image Star is having is that 9 years before we went into the cloud. So from anywhere in the world we can work. We have found a lot of people have been working. Salesforce, the new subject which we have launched, the artificial intelligence on CRM and business management, and this gave us a lot of developments. Today, we sell toner cartridges, and we sell solutions to the printers, printing solutions. And today we have 238 models of cartridges, which will support 1,200 odd printers, and we keep on adding the models. And the cartridge sale went up close to 38.18% sale went up, plus powder, this thing. All over the sale is went up by close to 120%, and the profitability also went up well. What I'm trying to tell you that एक छोटी सी बात, सिंपल सा भी ध्यान देना चाहिए. नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं कर पा रहे हैं बोल के बैठने से कुछ नहीं होता है. टोटल सरेंडर कीजिए, खुदा देख लेगा, खुदा अपना है, छोड़ेगा नहीं, और growth is 100% possible. Find out the ways and means. Because I also tell you, please note this point. People have been talking about the problem. Here, with the problem, how can we jump back? So it is not in our control. Why you think and worry about it? मरना है, जीना है, जिलाने वाला, मारने वाला वो है, छोड़ देते हैं उसको. तो हम लोग सिर्फ काम करें, कर्तव्य काम, उस पर हम लोग ध्यान देते हैं, और 100% बरकत, प्रॉस्पेरिटी आएगी. एंड मैंने अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए नहीं बोला है. मैंने जो महसूस किया है, what I've realized in the life this year during the process, I'm just sharing this. I'm giving you with the results. There are results. I mean, it was 120 models we had. Now we have double the models. Sale is double. Profitability is double. There is a way. How? It happened. I don't know how it happened. It happened. People have bought the material. People have sold the material. People have paid the money. People have collected the money. All that has happened. So please think about it and work on that growth. Just give it to God. All the best. Good luck.
तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं? तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं? सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं? तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं?